Hi there everyone, Possum Pete here, calling in from Wadawurrung country in the southeast of Australia. I thought we'd just have a quick talk about using iNaturalist's list feature to help you target and find species that you would like to add to your observations list. Let's jump into my my profile. That's a cute one. Love it. All right, so you'll land on your dashboard and you'll see all of the amazing uploads of biodiversity that people have been looking at. Whoever you follow, I tend to just click follow on everybody, so my dashboard is a big mess. But I do look through there and check out who's been seeing what, and if I can help to identify things along the way. But today I want to have a look at the lists feature. Dynamic Lifelist. This is the one we want. As it loads, let's just have a consideration of what are the species that we want to think about that we haven't seen yet. And I think plants, for me, offer the biggest treasure trove of new potential species for my species list. So I'm going to put that in. Plant A. Just a big kingdom old plant A. And I've seen 2,500 of them through journeys around Victoria, Western Australia, Queensland, New South Wales and South Australia. I haven't been up to the Northern Territory yet. But that isn't really what I'm after. I'm after the unobserved species, of which I've not seen 145,000. And that is so exciting. I would love to go on a trip around the world just observing the botanical wonders of Earth. How amazing would that be? But let's keep it real for the moment. And around my backyard is the Surf Coast. So the region of Surf Coast, Australia. And that's a little bit more achievable, isn't it? 518 unobserved species. Actually, around here, I've seen 567 species, so I need to double that. I need to double it. All right. And these are those which I have not seen, that have the most observations from other people. So the small shade nettle, mock strawberry, austral filmy fern. I just saw my first filmy fern the other day. They're amazing, just one cell thick. But it was a different species. It was the same genus, Hymenophyllum. In fact, let's have a look at it, shall we? I'll go up here. Right click and open a new tab is your best friend with iNaturalist. Use it. And I'll go to grid. And there they are. Hymenophyllum cupressiform, the common filmy fern. Honestly, I don't know why common names use the word common in them. I don't like it. But this beautiful, beautiful fern growing right in the depths of the Otways up near Erskine Falls. Just incredible. But you can see how the capsule, I don't think it is called a capsule, sorry, but it grows at the apex of a small growth there, but others would be growing here. So that's how you can tell the species apart, and this sort of dentate margin of the leaves, also a characteristic. If we go back to the list, let's have a look at where the austral filmy fern has been seen. Right click. If I click there, it'll just take me to the general page for this taxon. Right? But if I go back here, it'll take me to the observations within that area, which is what I'm more interested in, because I want to know where to go so that I can see the Austral filmy fern. I know this little one here is John Lanigan, so he's seen it. And this one is Reiner, the most observant naturalist in the iNaturalist world. He is also Victorian. I've had the pleasure of walking around with him before. So let's go to the map. And actually, where I was the other day is where this species grows. So I just need to go back there, have a closer look, and I'll go down to Erskine Falls and I will observe the Austral filmy fern and the all-important little tick to the species count. Will give me that little pang, that little endorphin pang, but also I will really enjoy meeting this beautiful gem of life on Earth.